5 natural electrolyte drinks that rehydrate better than water. Have you ever finished a large glass of water but still felt thirsty, tired, lightheaded, or unusually weak? This can happen because sweating, hot weather, exercise, fever, vomiting, and diarrhea do not remove only water from your body. They can also remove important minerals called electrolytes. When you replace only the water, it is a little like refilling a bowl of soup after some is spilled, but adding plain water without replacing any of the salt or ingredients. The bowl may look full again, but the balance has changed. That does not mean water is unhealthy. In fact, plain water should remain your main everyday drink. But after significant sweating or fluid loss, certain natural drinks can replace both fluid and electrolytes and may help your body retain that fluid more effectively. Today, we are counting down 5 natural electrolyte drinks you can prepare at home. You will discover which popular drink is rich in potassium, but may be missing the electrolyte you lose most heavily through sweat. You will also learn why an ordinary drink already sitting in your refrigerator performs surprisingly well in hydration research. And stay until number 1, because I will show you a simple homemade electrolyte drink using everyday ingredients. But there is one important measurement you must get right. Adding too much salt or sugar can turn a helpful hydration drink into something your body does not need. Why water is sometimes not enough. Electrolytes are minerals carrying an electrical charge. They include sodium, chloride, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Your body needs them for fluid balance, normal nerve signals, muscle contractions, and a steady heartbeat. Sodium and chloride are especially important after heavy sweating because these are the main electrolytes lost in sweat. Potassium also plays an important role in the movement of fluid between cells. A small amount of carbohydrate can support the absorption of sodium and water inside the intestine, which is why properly formulated rehydration drinks usually contain both electrolytes and some glucose. However, you do not need an electrolyte drink every time you become thirsty. If you have been sitting indoors or taking a short walk, water and a balanced meal are usually enough. These drinks become more useful after prolonged exercise, working outside in hot weather, heavy sweating, or mild fluid loss during an illness. Let us begin with number 5. Number 5. Salted watermelon and lime drink. Watermelon may look like a simple summer fruit, but most of it is water. It also provides potassium and a smaller amount of magnesium. Its natural carbohydrate can provide some quick energy after activity, while its refreshing taste may encourage people to drink when plain water feels boring. The problem is that watermelon juice naturally contains very little sodium. Drinking plain watermelon juice after heavy sweating may replace fluid and potassium, but it does not replace much of the sodium lost through sweat. To make it more balanced, blend 2 cups of seedless watermelon with half a cup of cold water, a squeeze of fresh lime, and a very small pinch of table salt. Avoid turning it into a sugar bomb by adding several spoonfuls of honey or syrup. The watermelon already contains natural sugar. This drink is refreshing after gardening, walking, or spending time outdoors. It is not a medical rehydration treatment, but it can be a pleasant way to replace fluid and some minerals after mild sweating. Our next drink is often marketed as nature's perfect sports drink, but that description only tells half of the story. Number 4. Coconut water with a sodium boost. Coconut water is naturally rich in potassium and contains smaller amounts of sodium and magnesium. It is refreshing, relatively light, and usually contains less added sugar than many brightly colored commercial sports drinks, provided you choose an unsweetened product. But here is the common mistake. People assume that because coconut water is rich in potassium, it automatically replaces everything lost through sweat. In reality, sweat generally contains much more sodium than potassium. Coconut water may therefore be too low in sodium for someone who has exercised intensely or spent hours sweating in hot weather. For mild activity, you can drink 1 cup of plain, unsweetened coconut water. After heavier sweating, add a squeeze of lime and a small pinch of table salt. This creates a better balance between potassium and sodium. Research comparing coconut water, sports drinks, and water has produced mixed findings. Coconut water can certainly contribute to hydration, but it has not consistently been shown to outperform plain water. Its greatest advantage is that it provides potassium, tastes pleasant, and may help replace some of the minerals lost during activity. Coconut water is high in potassium, so people with kidney disease or anyone instructed to restrict potassium should speak with a healthcare professional before drinking it regularly. Number 3 may surprise you because most people do not think of it as a hydration drink at all. Number 3, low-fat milk. Milk is approximately 90% water, but unlike plain water, it also contains sodium, potassium, calcium, carbohydrate, and protein. This combination can slow the movement of fluid through the stomach and help the body retain it for longer. In a controlled study comparing 13 commonly consumed beverages, both skimmed and full-fat milk produced better fluid retention than water during the study period. This does not mean you should carry a carton of milk during a hot workout. It means milk can be a useful recovery drink afterward, especially when you also need nutrition. After exercise or physical work, try 1 small glass of low-fat milk. It can replace fluid while providing protein for muscle recovery and natural carbohydrate for energy. Lactose-free dairy milk can offer similar nutrients for people who have trouble digesting lactose. Milk is not suitable for anyone with a dairy allergy, and some people may find it uncomfortable immediately after intense exercise. It is also not the right treatment for dehydration caused by diarrhea or repeated vomiting. But as an everyday post-exercise recovery drink, it is one of the most underrated options available. Number 2 is especially useful when you feel weak, cold, or uninterested in sweet drinks. Number 2, light vegetable or chicken broth. Broth is not glamorous, but it delivers something many fruit-based drinks lack: sodium and chloride. These are the 2 minerals lost most heavily in sweat. A light homemade vegetable or chicken broth provides fluid, sodium, and varying amounts of potassium, depending on its ingredients. It can be particularly comforting after working outside, during colder weather, or while recovering from a mild illness when your appetite is low. Prepare a simple broth using water, vegetables, and a moderate amount of salt. Potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and leafy vegetables can contribute potassium, while the salt provides sodium and chloride. Sip the broth slowly instead of swallowing a large amount at once. The goal is not to make it extremely salty. More sodium does not automatically mean better hydration. Excess sodium can be a problem for people with high blood pressure, heart failure, or kidney disease. If you have been told to follow a low-sodium diet, use only the amount recommended by your healthcare professional. Broth can be particularly useful when you have lost your appetite because it provides both fluid and a small amount of nourishment. However, dehydration from persistent vomiting or diarrhea requires a properly formulated oral rehydration solution, not just ordinary broth. Now we have reached number 1. This drink combines water, sodium, potassium, and a controlled amount of carbohydrate without artificial coloring or a large quantity of added sugar. Number 1. Homemade citrus electrolyte drink. The most useful homemade option after ordinary sweating is a properly measured citrus, honey, and salt drink. Pour 2 cups of clean water into a bottle. Add 1/4 cup of 100% orange juice, 2 level teaspoons of honey, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ordinary table salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime. Shake the bottle until the honey and salt have completely dissolved. The water replaces fluid. The salt supplies sodium and chloride. Orange juice provides potassium and natural carbohydrate, while the honey adds a small amount of glucose. The lemon or lime improves the flavor, making the drink easier to sip. Do not use a heaped spoonful of salt, and do not assume expensive pink or sea salt will produce better hydration. Ordinary table salt works perfectly well for this purpose. Precise measurement is more important than the color or price of the salt. Sip this drink gradually after prolonged walking, gardening, exercise, or sweating in hot weather. You do not need to drink the entire bottle immediately. Start with a small glass, continue drinking according to thirst, and pay attention to how you feel. This homemade drink is intended for mild fluid loss after heat or activity. It is not the same as a medically formulated oral rehydration solution. If dehydration is caused by repeated vomiting or diarrhea, especially in a child or older adult, use a properly prepared commercial ORS and follow medical advice. When should you choose electrolytes instead of water? Plain water remains the best main drink for ordinary daily hydration. You may benefit from an electrolyte-containing drink when you have been sweating heavily, exercising for an extended period, working outside in high temperatures, or losing fluids through illness. Drink slowly, particularly if your stomach feels unsettled. Drinking a large amount too quickly can cause nausea or bloating. Your fluid needs depend on your body size, temperature, activity level, health conditions, and how much you have actually lost. People with kidney disease, heart failure, diabetes, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or a prescribed fluid, sodium, or potassium restriction should consult their healthcare professional before regularly using electrolyte drinks. This is especially important for older adults taking medicines that can affect fluid or potassium levels. Seek medical attention if someone becomes confused, faints, develops a very rapid heartbeat, produces very little urine, cannot keep fluids down, or becomes increasingly weak. These may indicate serious dehydration that cannot be treated safely with a homemade drink. So, which drink deserves a place in your hydration routine? Salted watermelon and lime is refreshing after mild activity. Coconut water provides valuable potassium, but may need a little sodium after heavy sweating. Milk is the surprising recovery drink that can help the body retain fluid while providing protein. Light broth replaces sodium and is useful when sweet drinks are unappealing. And the homemade citrus electrolyte drink provides the most practical balance for ordinary post-sweat hydration. Water is still essential, but when you lose both water and electrolytes, replacing both may help you recover more effectively than replacing water alone. Which of these 5 drinks would you try first? Tell us in the comments, and share this video with someone who often feels exhausted after exercise or hot weather. Subscribe for more simple, evidence-based ways to protect your health using everyday foods and drinks.